Hello everybody, my name is Naya and this is my baby Mitzi. She's a great car, but lately she's been giving me trouble. So here's what's been going on. Random lights will come up on the dashboard, like the high beams, the low beam, the fog light, brake light, the outside temperature gauge will disappear, and the fuel gauge will drop to 0 like I didn't just fill the car up with gas. And sometimes when driving, the dashboard will go completely black as if the car is off. So instead of taking it to the mechanic, I decided to diagnose and fix the car myself. Mind you, I'm not a mechanic, so we'll see how this goes. So the first thing I did was hop on Amazon and I bought me the cheapest OBD scanner because I'm not about to spend 200 plus for a scanner specifically for my car. This shall suffice. Anyways, y'all, you probably can't even see me. It's 9:29 on a Saturday, and I have the scanner here. Listen, I ain't never did this before. I don't even know where the little thing is to plug it in. Hold on. So I think it's somewhere under here. What the hell? Where's that, yo? Oh, it's right there. Yo, who touched this and then closed it back? Hold on, y'all. Oh my goodness. I probably look so crazy right now. Hold on. Okay. Oh Lord. Why is this in French? Y'all, why is this in French? Am I supposed to turn on the car? Eliante? Why is this in French? Oh my, hold on. Because I'm like, whew, okay, because I was about to start panicking. Okay. Am I supposed to turn on the car? Codes found 0. Wait, maybe I need to turn this on. What is this? I don't get this. What am I supposed to do? Okay, so I have the car running now, and it says codes found 2. What? Bear with me, because I'm just clicking stuff. You have to select your vehicle's manufacturer, and I scroll down and it comes up as Benz gas. DTC definition not found. Please refer to vehicle service manual. God, I don't get it, y'all. Somebody send help. I finally figured out where the code was. This is the code. The code is right here. Oh my gosh. Hey you guys, so the code that the scanner gave me was U1457. That's a communication code. So from what I understand, it's basically telling me that the car's computer is having trouble communicating to another computer in the car. So to break it down, it's like when you're FaceTiming your friend and the connection goes out and you start blaming on each other's Wi-Fi. You don't know whose Wi-Fi it is, but you know that there's a bad connection. So this kind of tells me that I'm dealing with something electrical, like a bad connection or something to do with the battery. So currently my brain is overloaded with like just so much stuff, like I don't even know what to think. Yeah, did I mention that I'm using ChatGPT to help me diagnose the car? And tell me why ChatGPT was telling me to drop the back seat, girl. She telling me to go in the gas tank, jump in there and check the gas. She telling me to check all types of stuff. I said, what? So that's why I was confused, but we got it figured out. I'm gonna just start knocking off what I think it is off the list and just go from there because yeah, I don't know. Like, I don't know. Like, I really don't know what to tell y'all. I don't know. So the first thing I'm probably gonna do is like check the wiring and stuff behind the dash itself, and then check like the battery, test the battery, and then move from there. And if I don't see any like visible signs of like damage or anything, then I don't know what happens after that, but we gonna see. Good morning, everybody. It's Wednesday. I'm only like not even 10 minutes into my drive. She was bugging out. She's not doing it right now, but I don't know if that means it's getting worse. Also want to mention is about like 20 to 30 minutes into the drive, I would notice that the dashboard would start acting up. I'm like, that has to mean something, but I don't know what it means. It has to mean something, no? I don't know, yeah. I think might have to bring this joint to the mechanic. I don't know. Yeah, I look crazy. I'm fresh for work. Check engine light is on. We got something to check. So once I get home, I'm gonna plug her on and see what's going on. Okay, everybody. Getting a little nervous because I might have to take her to the mechanic because all right, y'all, so real quick, before I went home, I stopped at 2 places and this is what happened. Yeah, I just left Walmart. I might cooked. The car is on. The engine is on. I might cooked. Holy smokes. Y'all seen that? Damn. Yeah. I don't know. Car is driving. My signal's on, everything. But I just got back in the car. The door isn't even open. But every time I put it in drive, it does that. Like, girl. Anyways, clear that off the screen. Alright, y'all, so the code that the scanner gave me was P2610, which basically means the car's computer, which is the ECM or PCM, isn't keeping track of time when the engine is off, which can mess things up. So this code is actually similar to the first code, U1457, because they both point towards something electrical, like low voltage, wiring issues, or the wrong battery type. In my case, other than the dashboard acting up, the car drives great, which confirms that this is an electrical issue. Also, it's not telling me what the issue is specifically because it's just a generic scanner. So the first thing I decided to do was start with the battery. The stuff you got to do, I plugged it in and you guys saw. So I'm about to bring it to Mr. Lube so they can test the battery because I don't have a multimeter and I'm not about to go buy one. I probably should because I need it, but I'm gonna let them test it for me and we'll see how it goes. Yeah, so I left Mr. Lube and basically tell me why I got the main battery replaced back in 2021. Boy, they open up the thing to test the battery. One of the connectors not even connected to the battery, and it's the wrong battery in my car? Excuse me? First of all, I didn't even know. Listen, I didn't even know. When I first got the car, the battery needed to be replaced, and I brought it to this man, this scammy man. I will drop his address right now. This scammy man, he charged me $900 to replace the battery and a sensor. Scammed. Before y'all start cooking me, talking about why did you pay $900 for a battery? First of all, it was one of those ones where I needed the car fixed. I didn't have a trusted mechanic. I brought it to the man. He fixed the car, then told me the price, and I had no choice but to pay it. So, but anyways, that's not the point, because he got my money. But we're pretty sure that the battery is the issue. They convinced me that it was a battery. Okay, maybe they was trying to sell me a battery, but regardless, it wasn't the right battery in my car. But the thing is, I'm like, how is my car driving fine with no issues for 4 years with the battery, and now all of a sudden it wants to act up? I don't know, but I'm like, okay, let's change the battery. I was really worried about my baby. So I'm gonna buy the battery, I'm gonna put it in and see how it goes. They told me that I needed an AGM battery in my car. So an AGM battery is designed to give the right amount of consistent power for most modern cars. So the battery that I had in my car was a regular battery, and it wasn't strong enough to output the power the way it should so that the computers and the systems work properly. So because it wasn't giving the right amount of power, it was more than likely the issue that was causing the dashboard to act up. Good morning, everybody. So I'm on my way to Mr. Lube so they can put the battery in this thing, and I'm really hoping that that's gonna just fix the issue. So I'll see you guys when I see you. Guys, I'm here at Mr. Lube. We about to, first of all, I asked them if I could keep the old battery. They said no, it's gonna be an extra charge. I said with my teeth, hold on. They're talking about no, it's gonna be an extra charge. Like, I was planning to go scrap that joint. But waiting for them to change it, and we'll see how it goes. So yeah, I got the battery changed, and for one, yeah, tell me why they changed the battery with the car on. For starters, by absolutely no means are you supposed to change a battery with the car on. Anybody with sense knows that, okay? Now, the problem here was the car was already on. He had told me to start the car. I'm like, why would this man tell me to start the car? I started the car. Next thing you know, he pulling the battery out the car. So I'm like, let me turn the car off. He's like, don't turn the car off, miss. So I don't turn the car off. I'm in a sticky situation. I don't know what to do because the car's already on and there's no battery in the car. So he put the new battery in the car while the car is running. And to be honest, I'm glad I didn't blow up. So, yeah. This man is out here talking about if he doesn't change the battery with the car on, then a bunch of lights are going to come on, and then I'm going to have to go bring it to Mercedes so they can clear it off, because they can clear it off. And you may be asking, why didn't I just change the battery myself? Because it's an easy little 1, 2, 3, but they don't charge a service fee, so I said I might as well let them do it. But I know that that fee is probably somewhere in the price of the battery. But boys, like, you better not miss it on our car. He's like, everything here is warranty. I'm like, okay. I'm like, okay. Yeah, I think that's it. So, no, what do we do next? Like, I'm gonna drive it around, see how she operating, see if she cool. And also, it really was the wrong battery, because when he took out the battery and he put them the old battery with the new battery side by side and he compared them, I said, wow, the size difference was crazy. You need to leave. But anyway, my fault. Anyways, let me show you guys the new battery. Hold on. Let me turn this off before I get shocked. like a buzzing sound. What the hell? Anyways, this is in the battery. Did y'all hear that? Is that normal? It sounded like a little buzzing sound. Like a... Oh my goodness. Hold on. Wait. I swear there's supposed to be like a little tube right here that's supposed to be plugged in. It was plugged into the other one. What the heck? It's not plugged into this one. What does that even do? Do that do anything? I don't know. So, yeah. I guess that's it. So, I'm going to see how she runs and all of that. Hopefully everything is okay, and I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Was that corny? That was a little corny. My bad, y'all. Bye. No, please, no, 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 please, no, no. Bro, I just changed the battery. Oh my. Oh, I'm about to cry. Ah! Why is it sparking? Put this in. Whew, girl. I watched the video. This is completely different. This don't even look like what I saw in the video. Like,